Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is polygamma problem 2 ln square 1 plus x ln minus x dx 1 plus x. So friends, I used in here IBP. IBP means integrating by parts. So in here first term I will choose this term is first term and this total term is second. Okay, so uv formula, what is uv formula friends? Uv formula is integrations uv dx equals to u into v into dx minus du by dx into v into dx. Okay, this is the integration formula. I hope everyone knows this IBP formula. Those who want to view these integrations, so very basic integrations. Problem is very easy. So what kind of problem in here? So if I used IBP, then I get it is ln cube 1 plus x. Okay, because integration ln square 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x dx is equal to ln cube 1 plus x divided by 3, because as ln 1 plus x equals to ln 1 plus x equals to z, so dx divided by 1 plus x equals to dz. So z square integration z square into dz equals to z cube divided by 3. So friends, ln cube 1 plus x divided by 3 and ln minus x, because ln it is first term, so I just keep it as a first term and putting the limit 0 to 1. And next portion, whatever I have to do, it is derivative of ln minus x, minus plus, so it is 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 ln cube 1 plus x divided by, okay, so it is 1 plus x into dx, because simple derivative friends, du by dx equal to ln minus x is equal to 1 by minus x. Okay, 1 by minus x and 1 by minus x, and derivative of minus x is equal to plus x, so it is not plus, it would be minus friends. In here it is minus, because ddx of ln minus x equals to minus 1 by x into ddx of minus x. Just apply chain rule, so it is minus plus 1 by x. Okay, so no problem. I hope it is clear for everyone. Now it can be written as ln and ln n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 0 to 1 0 to 1 ln cube 1 plus x dx divided by x. Must remember friends, this value you can see that integration, this value results I have already find out polygamma part 1. So you can, sorry, so polygamma part 2, this value I have found, so I do not solve it again. So this value is equals to, in here also 1 by 3 is multiplied, it is 1 by 3 is multiplied in here, so 1 by 3 multiply. Okay, so note integration 0 to 1 ln cube 1 plus x divided by x dx equals to this value is equals to pi square, sorry, it is pi square divided by 6, pi square divided by 6 ln square 2 ln square 2 ln to the power 4 2 divided by 2 plus pi to the power 4 divided by 15 minus 21 by 4 zeta 3 ln 2, okay, and minus 3 by 2 li 4 1 by 2 and plus pi square by 12 pi square by 12 ln square 2. Okay, so friends, this is the values of the ln cube 1 plus x divided by x. So I can write my integration is omega 2. Omega 2 can be written as I pi, because ln minus 1 is equal to I pi. Okay, so I pi ln cube 2 divided by 3 minus pi square by 18, because 1 by 3, so it is pi square by 18 ln square 2 and plus ln to the power 4 divided by 12 minus pi 4 45 plus 7 by 4 zeta 3 ln 2 1 by 2 li 4 half. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Okay, thanks for watching. I think that my proof is coming. Okay, in here also plus pi square divided by 36 ln square 2. So friends, just calculation need, because pi square by 18 and pi square by 36, it is minus also, so pi square by. Okay, thanks for watching friends. I hope it is clear for everyone.